Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Khaerunisa Setia Wahidin, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you what is hyponymy. Hyponymy comes from ancient Greek word onama means name and hypo means down. According to Barrera in 1986, hyponymy means a name that is included under other names. Its main hyponym is word address, whose meaning is included in another more general word address. According to Chair in 1994, hyponymy is a semantic relationship between a form of speech whose meaning is included in another form of speech. While according to Palmer, hyponymy is a logical relationship in ensemblement. It's mean if we mention the hyponymy, we can imagine the name of the group, and if we mention the name of the group, we can imagine the hyponymy. Or in other words, hyponymy is the state or phenomenon that shows the relationship between the more general and the more specific. Let me show you the example. If we say the peperonia, antiranum, and the purple we already know that they are decorative plants. And if we say the peperonia, it will have the hyponym of the decorative plant. Another example, if we mention the pigeon, we already know that the pigeon is a bird. And if we say a bird, it includes pigeon, eagle, owl, lovebird, and so on.